Hello traders, one more time. In this video we will talk about how you can get sniper entries every single time and what rules you need and also what confluences. So let's start, and we also will do a break like a case study of gbpchf trades that we have caught. So let's start. In this scenario, what we can see, of course, we should always identify the trend. So the trend and the bearish like order flow is telling me that trend and order flow is bearish. Why? Because as you can see, price swept liquidity right here, and we broke the structure downside. So this is our minor breakout structure. We have lower low, lower high, lower low. So price is on bearish order flow. As you can see here on higher time frame, also we have major breakout structures downside. So we have series of lower highs and lower lows, and now lower highs. And price is about to print lower low. So now price is telling us that now sellers are in control and we should follow the sellers. Why? Because they are giving us breakout structures downside and price is significantly dropping always. So here you can see we have beautiful imbalance. Okay, right here we have beautiful imbalance. We also have beautiful supply zone. Here we had this minor imbalance and price has filled this imbalance, as you can see. Let me mark this supply zone right here. And now what price did? So we had inducement and liquidity, as you can see right here. So many traders were selling here, and it means that we have so many stop losses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, so many liquidity, and price took all the liquidity. Here also another liquidity, because so many traders would start to sell from here because they think they have breakout structure, blah blah blah. But no, this is trap. Price needs liquidity to move. So here price created smart money trap, and it has not even mitigated the supply zone, and you don't even have breakout structures downside. This is all fake. And now what price did? So we have imbalance, as you can see right here. We have imbalance. Okay, let me mark. So this is our imbalance right here. And you have supply zone. But what price did? Price swept supply zone. For several reasons, of course. It needs liquidity. So we have a liquidity sweep. But on higher time frame, we are on bearish order flow. Price is in supply zone. We have swept liquidity, and price here now has swept liquidity. And what we know that we have bearish order flow. We are switching to lower time frame, and let's see what happens. Let me switch right here. Okay, so what happened right here? We are like, it's now London session. London session has opened, and you can see we have this low, we have this high. So price broke this low. This is our first confluence, and now price wants to go downside. Because we have shift in the market structure. But for me, the only one breakout structure is not enough. I need to see at least 2 or multiple breakout structures. Okay, so here price mitigated our supply zone. We had imbalance and many other stuff. But now let's see what price is about to do. Nice. So now we have double breakout structures. So we had first breakout structure right here. Then we had another breakout structure, retracement, so pullback to mitigate our supply zone. And now price created beautiful supply zone. Okay, so we have this beautiful supply zone right here. And we have imbalance. We have liquidity. So let's see what price does. As you can see, price has mitigated our supply zone. Our stop loss would be right here, always at 1 pips for the stop loss because of the spreads, and give some space. Okay, give some air to breathe for stop loss. So here something like this. And once we execute sells, we should always know where is our take profit. So once you execute, let's see, like once you enter in trade, okay, so you have entry, you should also know where is your exit point. Okay, so exit, it's not only about entry point, because let's say you have entered trades from here, maybe some liquidity sweep right here, you have executed sales, or you have liquidity and price did something like this also here, and you have opened sales from here, and you have targeted, for example, not this low or this low, this low. Okay, and there is a highly chance that price will make something like this, maybe moving, taking out this low. Okay, price will took out this low right here and then moved upside. Okay, so once price swept liquidity, it reversed it upside, and now you lost. Why? Because you have incorrect take profit, okay, or exit point. You should always know when to enter and when to exit, okay? It is also about sniper entry and sniper exit. I know some of you and many of you would lose some trades like this because you are targeting like randomly, okay? Why you are targeting this low when is your internal structure and this is your valid low? So let me delete right here. So once you have entry, you should also know when to exit. So right here, what we have, let's check also Asia sessions. Boom. Okay, I can see we have beautiful Asia low right here. Okay, price has not swept anything, and you can target this low. Okay, this beautiful low, and of course on high time frame base, if you are biased on high time frame, what we can see, correction, okay, in like correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So we know that once we have bearish order flow, price is always sweeping let me wait, lower lows, okay? So correction, impulse. So price is always taking out higher time frame lows, higher time frame lows, higher time frame lows. So at this logic, you can also target the lows right here. Why? Because this is our external liquidity and this is our lower low. So let me mark major or higher time frame, lower low. And we know we have very short the flow. Price also gave us major breakout structure right here. We are in our premium price range and you can target this low, of course. But me, because I'm not greedy type of trader, and for me, one-way TARAR is amazing, maybe you can take 60% of your partials right here and then target as a 40% right here, okay? It depends on your risk management. If you are using multiple take profits or if you are taking partial profits, of course, okay? So let's see what happens. Nice reaction, beautiful reaction. And boom, price took out the first take profit. Why? Because we have entered currently and we know when to enter. We are not entering here or here or here. We waited for some liquidity sweeps, some higher time frame supply zone mitigation, imbalance fill, and also correct time session. So as you can see, New York session opened and gave us beautiful, beautiful reaction and took Asia low. Okay, so let's see what happens in the future. Okay, let me delete so we fast forward. As you can see, price did not like took out the lows recently. Okay, it might, okay, just collecting some liquidity because we have support and resistance sitting right here and price needs liquidity. Okay, so price is waiting for more liquidity, is merging and collecting more liquidity, and price will took out all the support and resistance traders in the future. Okay, but as you can see, you should wait so much time. Okay, and price might also reverse. Okay, we don't know, no one knows. So the one, you should always have A plus setups. For us, this was A plus setup. We know when to exit and when to like entry. We targeted these Asia lows because we know that this is our Asia low, this is our liquidity, and there is 80% of the chance once price takes out either Asia high. Okay, so this is our Asia high and Asia low. So if price takes out first Asia low, there is 80% of the chance that price will take out Asia low and vice versa, okay? So use this rule. This is a very nice rule. And boom, okay? So on higher time frame, we had very short flow, as you can see. Here, price swept liquidity, we had breakout structure downside. Okay, let me mark. So we had breakout structure downside. We had liquidity. We had also another inducement. We had imbalance, price mitigated the supply zone, went downside, gave us breakout structure. It means that this high is strong, okay, and also this low because it gave us new lower low and we have bearish order flow. Okay, what you can see, let me delete everything so it's kind of messy. Let me delete right here, here, also everything here. So what you can see, we have bearish order flow. Okay, boom, 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 and another boom. Okay, so price is giving us correction impulse downside. we know our trend, okay? You should always identify the trend. Always identify the trend, okay? Without identifying like trend, you cannot trade, okay? Identify. Sorry guys, identify. If you don't know what is your trend and what is your dominant way, are sellers in dominant side or sellers, okay? You should identify them. Identify the trend, identify the order flow, spot breakout structures, imbalance, liquidity, okay? Also inducement, also lower time frame confirmations. Wait for lower time frame confirmations. Where is your Asia low or high? Is there any news? Okay, exit liquidity. So it means TP. Okay, take profit. You should know all these rules. Okay, without these rules, you cannot trade and you won't be profitable. Trust me, guys. Okay, you should have some trading plan and you should check. Okay, did I identify the trend? Correct. I identify, and it means that we have sells. So I should execute sells. Do I spot breakout structure imbalance? Yes. Do I have liquidity inducement? Yes. Did I wait for lower time frame confirmations? Yes, we waited for double confirmations. Do I have Asia low and highs? Yes, I have Asia low available right here. Do I check news? Of course, okay, you should always check news. And where is our exit liquidity? Okay, so these 2 points. And did I took some parcels here, or I am taking full profits here, okay? So I hope you understand, okay? Always remember, you can take screenshot maybe, okay? So always identify the trend, always, okay? And know when to enter and when to exit, okay? And also, if you want to trade with us, become profitable, have more advanced strategies and also mentorship videos, join our premium club, okay? You know my Instagram. Here we are sharing team analysis. Also, I'm sharing weekly forecast, daily forecast, personal trades, so signals, daily weekends, breakdowns. We are having live calls every week. And also, as you can see, so many traders are becoming profitable. Here you can see these traders are catching amazing trades every day. And here is educational content, okay? And this is like our mentorship advanced videos, okay, for only VIP members, and more videos are on the way. And also follow me on my Instagram. You know my Instagram, and this is my only one trading Instagram, and I will show you right here, okay? I'm waiting for you and wish you all the best. Here we are sharing free content, okay? And you can also join our free Telegram group. Link will be in description. See you soon and wish you all the best.